Hey guys, it's about 7:30 at our house, and today's been one of those days when I've just been outside all day long, and I'm still sitting outside waiting on the mailman to get home from work, and the boys are all inside, and so it's just me and the frogs out here in the country. And so I wanted to share with you something. Today I went to Dollar General before I started raking leaves, and was picking up some things because, you know, everybody's in a panic about school being out and having enough things at home for your kids to snack on and enjoy while they're at home. And when I was in Dollar General, the Holy Spirit told me to do something, and it was one of those things that I was like, really, you know, are you really asking me to do this? Because this is kind of awkward. And so I left there and I did what he asked me, came back, did what he asked me to do. And then I came home and I was raking leaves. And a lot of times when I'm alone, the Holy Spirit talks to me. And I think he talks to us all if we're Christians and we've accepted Jesus into our hearts. I believe that the Holy Spirit will speak to us and guide us and direct us. And so as I was raking, he was just kind of reminding me of some things that I've taught over the years, and just things that came really easy for the people that I taught them to. And so one of those was the 10 Commandments. And so I was just thinking that, you know, while we're all at home and maybe you're not going to church, maybe you're going to stay inside and keep your family, you know, at home to keep them from getting sick, or for whatever purpose that you're at home, or maybe even after this is over with, you may want to learn the 10 Commandments yourself or do this as a family, as an activity. I think that what we teach our kids inside the walls of our home often sticks with them more than anything else that they learn in other places. And so this is just a real quick way to learn the 10 Commandments. I know growing up, I would hear them and I would, you know, hear the different commandments, and then I would remember parts of them. And so this is just a really easy way to memorize the 10 Commandments. It's quite hilarious that I'm sitting here, you know, we're talking about Exodus, and you think about Moses and the plagues, and I'm out here by the covered up pool and I'm surrounded by frogs. So I'm going to go through them real quick, and if it's something that you would like to let your kids watch and let them learn, or do as a family, or you just learn them yourself, I just wanted to share it with you. The Holy Spirit told me to. He also told me to take random girls at Dollar General that were working today a slush, because it was very crowded and they were out of everything and they were having to stock shelves and deal with grumpy people, and it was happy hour and he told me to go get them a slush. And I don't know these girls from anywhere, but I know when the Holy Spirit tells me to do something that it's up to me if I follow his direction or not. And I did, and they were equally as confused at first but blessed when I gave them their 3 slushes today. And I don't know their names and they don't know my names, but I'm in that store every single day. And so I'm sure that it will yield an opportunity for me to be able to share more with them, because I followed the Holy Spirit's guidance and took 3 strangers a slush today to Dollar General. So here we go. Okay, so this is the way that we teach the kids to learn the 10 Commandments, and it also helps us to learn them as well. So I'm going to share the verse from the Bible and then the easy way that we teach the kids. Number 1 is, I'm the Lord thy God, thou shalt have no other gods before me. And when we do this one, we just hold up one finger and we say there's only one true God. 2 is, thou shalt not make unto thee any graven image. For number 2, we say 2 is 2 gods too many. 3, thou shalt not take the name of the Lord thy God in vain. 3 actually makes the shape of a W for words, and we tell them to watch their words. 4, remember the Sabbath day and keep it holy. So when you have your 4 fingers, you have this little guy here. He's going to praise on the Sabbath and then take a day of rest, keep it holy. So we're going to say number 4, take a day to rest. Number 5, honor thy father and thy mother. We just do 5 fingers and hold it up like Scout's honor. Honor thy father and mother. 6, thou shalt not kill. The kids love this one because we do 6 fingers and shoot our gun. 7 is thou shalt not commit adultery. You have your 7 fingers. This hand and arm makes the path of life that you're on, and you are walking down it, and we say, don't walk away from the one you vowed you'd stay. Or you could say, don't walk away from the one you promised you'd stay. Whichever's easiest for you to remember. Number 8, thou shalt not steal. We take 8 fingers. These 3 fingers kind of act as if it's like a rake, and thou shalt not steal. You're stealing everything and taking it away. Number 9, thou shalt not bear false witnesses against thy neighbor. This is my favorite one. You have 9 fingers. This little guy is over here, and so we say, don't talk smack behind your neighbor's back. And 10 is thou shalt not covet. For 10, we put up all 10 fingers, and coveting is wanting what you don't have. So we do the want symbol for that. So I'm going to share with you all 10 of them real quick in order. Okay? Number 1, there's only one true God. 2 is 2 gods too many. 3, watch your words. 4, worship and take a day to rest. 5, honor your father and mother. 6, don't kill. 7, don't walk away from the one you vowed you'd stay. Number 8, don't steal. Number 9, don't talk smack behind your neighbor's back. Number 10, don't covet. So I hope that this is something that while you're all cooped up at home or in one of your family devotional times that you could share with your kids or learn them yourself to help you remember the 10 Commandments. And I challenge you this week that if the Lord lays something on your heart to do, that you will do it, even if it's something as silly as taking the cashiers at your local store a slush from the Sonic. He will use our efforts if we allow him to do so. So I hope you have a great evening, and I think the mailman's home, so maybe we'll do this again sometimes. Bye. All right, so the mailman's home. I'm going to give him a test. It's been a long time since I've taught him the 10 Commandments.
Oh, great.
Do you think you can remember them? All right,
Maybe.
so I'm just going to randomly do one, okay? So, number 5.
Which one was it?
Okay.
I can't remember.
Number 3.
Watch your words.
Number 3 is watch your words. Very good. Well, number 1.
There's only one true God.
2.
2 gods too many.
3.
Watch your words.
4. Something obviously you didn't do today because you worked till 8 o'clock.
Rest.
Take a day to rest.
Take a day to rest.
5. Scout's honor.
Don't lie.
Honor.
Honor your mom and dad.
Yeah. 6.
Don't kill.
7.
Don't walk away from the one you vowed to stay.
8. It's like a rake.
Don't steal.
Yep. 9. Here's all these 9 people. This poor little guy.
Share.
No.
I can't remember.
Don't talk.
Don't talk smack behind the other person's back.
Yes, behind all your neighbors' backs. And 10.
Don't covet.
Very good. I think 8 out of 10, 7 out of 10 is pretty good.
Oh, great.
Okay, so now I'm going to see if Sawyer remembers the 10 Commandments because it's been a while since we learned them in children's church. His dad made us about a 70, I would say. So let's see how well you can do tonight, okay? So I'm going to hold up my fingers and then you tell me if you remember the commandment. All right, are you ready? Ready for this? You sure? Okay, all right, here we go.
There's only one true God. 2 gods too many.
Okay.
Oh yeah, watch your words. Take a day to rest. Honor your father and mother. Don't kill.
You're not going to do the sound effect?
Or don't
7.
don't walk away from the one you vow don't stay.
Number 8.
Don't steal.
Number 9.
Don't talk smack behind your neighbor's back.
And number 10.
Don't covet.
Awesome. You made 100. Dad made a 70. You made 100. Good job.